Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. In today's video, it's not going to be a motor vlog. We're just going to be talking about how to check the rear brake wear on your motorcycle, so you know if they need to be changed, if you need to replace your rear brakes. Now, on my Marauder, I don't know if it's for all bikes, but for cruisers, I believe it's the same thing. If you can almost tell, see back here, there's this brake. Oh, the exhaust is hot, be careful. See right there's a brake lining wear limit between these two, right? Now, when you step on your rear brake, this will move to show how much wear is still on the brake. When you step on your rear brake, this moves and shows where the limit is. Could be over here, could be over there. Anyways, it needs to be within this range. If it's past this range, then it's time to replace them. So, for example, there's my rear brake. Look at here when I step on the brake. Look, that moves. I'll show you how much brake wear is still left on that. It'll gauge for you how much brake wear you still have on it on your bike, so you can know when you need to replace your brakes. For me personally, I feel like I need to soon, so I just wanted to show you guys that, so you know how to have a look for yourself if you're new. Yep, and that's pretty much, and that is basically it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, see you.